Okay, so the question says that a manager is free to attend meetings only on Mondays. Suppose we have to know the upcoming dates on which we have meeting with him, then please write a program that gives us the date on which Monday falls in a given year or a given month. This question is very important not only for this kind of question for a manager, but for any one of us. We can use it to find the dates that fall on a particular day, or there are some national importance days that fall on a specific day. So we can know that particular date of for any given year. Okay, now you know that there are 12 months, 1 to 12. In every month either we have 30 days or 31 days or 29 or 28 days. Fine. Now how do you get number of days in a given month? You know, we have been using calendar dot month range method. This method will return two things. One is the variable first that will give you the day number for the starting of the month. Second is the num days that gives you the number of days in a given month. So we have two parameters, the year and the month itself. So we are also going to do that. Take a for loop for I in range 1 comma 13. I am writing 13 because in Python the second parameter always go one number less than that, so after either it will go till 12 only. Now I want to know the number of days for every single month. So what I'll do, I will again write two things, first comma num days and write calendar dot month range. Month will be 2024 and year will be 2024 and month will be I. Now whatever the num days are there, we will take another loop for j in range start from 1 because every month start from first and goes on till the last day. Last day is num days, so we'll write num days plus 1. Now for a particular date that is in the form of j and a particular month that is in the form of I and the year 2024, we need to know the weekday number. How do I know the weekday number? By using calendar dot weekday method. So we say that if calendar dot weekday and then pass three things. What is that? First is the year, second is the month, so month is denoted by the value I, and third is the date. Date is denoted by this loop j. If the weekday corresponds to what? Monday. And what is the weekday number for Monday? That is 0. So I say that if it is 0, then in that case print a date. So printing a date can be as simple as like this. You can print the date first. So date is in j, comma, slash, comma, month that is denoted by I, comma, slash, forward slash, comma, the year that is 2024. That's all. This way we will get a list of all the dates in 2024 that falls on Monday. What is it? Name calendar. Where is the problem? Okay, just correct it please. Calendar dot month range. See, we get a list of all the dates in 2024 that falls on Monday. You can take a look at it and create more personalized programs where you can take the month number from the user. If you want to know on what particular date in a month falls on a particular day, and you can also take year from the user and personalize your program. All right then.